In this age of high-resolution photos and near-constant video capture, the storage space in your PCs and mobile devices fills up faster than ever. There are ways to allow other users to share and access the files on your hard drive. One of the best ways is to use a good network-attached storage device. NAS is high-capacity storage that connects to your home or office network, so that you and other users you designate can access your files from mobile devices and PCs without plugging into the drive. So if you're interested in buying one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Securely expand your network storage capacity with a QNAP TS251D 4G 2-bay NAS enclosure, which supports up to 2 hot-swappable 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch SATA 3 drives, can be set up in RAID 0, 1, JBOD, or a single configuration. Powered by an Intel Celeron dual-core processor with 4GB of DDR4 memory, this 2-bay NAS enclosure is designed to efficiently back up your data, share files, and stream 4K media to connected users with a maximum read and write speed of 982 megabytes per second and 892 megabytes per second respectively. You can upgrade the system's RAM to up to 8 GB by installing a SODIMM module into the available memory slot. The available PCIe 2.04 slot allows you to enhance further performance with devices, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 card, a wireless networking adapter, or a QNAP QM2 card for M.2 solid-state cache drives. Plus, the HDMI 2.0 port allows you to connect displays directly to use a multimedia server. Additionally, your data is protected by AES-NI 256-bit hardware accelerated encryption. Next on the line, we have the TerraMaster F2-221 NAS. This unit comes with an Intel Apollo J3355 dual-core processor, a frequency of up to 2 GHz, a read speed reaching 200 megabytes per second, and a write speed of 190 megabytes per second. These devices are compatible with AES hardware encryption and 4K HD video transcoding, making the F2-221 ideal for home multimedia entertainment and small office applications. Its superior storage technology and optimized snapshot technology are the cornerstones of the BTRFS file system, which this unit relies on for advanced data protection, prevention of data corruption, and minimal maintenance expenses. You can use this file system to promote high data integrity while promoting flexibility and efficiency in data protection and data recovery. Plus, its optimized snapshot technology generates 1,024 snapshots for every shared folder and 71,680 overall system snapshots. Thus, users can benefit from flexible, storage-saving data protection. Built as a budget and user-friendly single-bay NAS for storing, sharing, and protecting personal data, next on the line, we have the DiskStation DS120j 1-bay NAS enclosure from Synology. It offers a variety of applications, allowing beginners to explore the convenient functionality of Synology NAS. This unit is equipped with one drive bay, capable of natively supporting 3.5-inch hard drives and 2.5-inch hard drives and SSDs via an adapter. Using its single drive bay will allow you to store and share many files, including videos, music, photos, and documents, with up to 512 user accounts. It runs on Synology DiskStation Manager OS, a browser-based operating system that simplifies managing your Synology NAS. Its CPU is an 800 MHz Marvell Armada 3720 dual-core, and its 512 MB and DDR3 RAM allows frequently used files and applications to be quickly accessed. Plus, this NAS can achieve sequential read speeds of over 112 megabytes per second and sequential write speeds of over 106 megabytes per second. Powered by an Intel 8th generation processor, the TVS 672N 6-bay NAS enclosure from QNAP features 5 GB bandwidth, which delivers up to 5 times the speed of standard Gigabit Ethernet and allows for smoother 4K video transfers, displays, and editing. With M.2 2280 SSD support and the ability to install a graphics card, it provides the opportunity to boost performance and create a scalable working environment for collaboration and high-speed file sharing. This device is powered by a 3.1 GHz Intel Core i3-8100T quad-core processor and 84 GB of DDR4 RAM, which can be upgraded to 32 GB, using one 16 GB module in each of the SO-DIMM slots. Network connectivity is achieved using the 2 GB Ethernet ports and one 5 GB Ethernet port. The 6-bay enclosure can natively house both 3.5-inch and 2.5-inch SATA 3 and SATA 2 hard drives or SSD drives. Built as a cloud storage device for the live stream and content creators, up next, we have the AS5304T 4-bay NAS enclosure from Asustor. It is powered by a 1.5 GHz Intel Celeron J4105 quad-core processor, 4 GB of 2400 MHz DDR4 RAM, which can be upgraded to 8 GB, 4 GB of eMMC flash memory, and dual 2.5 GB Ethernet slots that can be paired through link aggregation to deliver speeds of up to 5 GB per second. Peripheral connectivity is achieved using one HDMI 2A and three 5 GB per second USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports. If your storage needs to grow, up to 3 AS604U expansion slots can be added on, for a total of 16 drive bays. Other integrated features include 10-bit HEVC VP9 4K hardware decoding, AES 256-bit encryption, and more. Built with a dual-core processor, an AES-NI hardware encryption engine, and dual M.2 2280 NVMe SSD slots for cache acceleration, the DiskStation DS420 4-bay NAS enclosure from Synology is at the top of the list. It is equipped with 2 drive bays capable of natively supporting 3.5-inch SATA hard drives and 2.5-inch SATA hard drives and SSDs. Using its 2 drive bays, this NAS will allow you to store and share many files with up to 2,048 user accounts and 1,500 maximum concurrent connections. Its CPU is a 2 GHz Intel Celeron J4025 dual-core with a burst frequency of up to 2.9 GHz, and its 2 GB of DDR4 RAM, which can be upgraded to 6 GB, allows frequently used files and applications to be quickly accessed. Using its dual Gigabit Ethernet ports, it can sequentially read speeds up to 226 MB per second and sequentially write speeds up to 225.74 MB per second, and encrypted reads at up to 225.99 MB per second, and encrypted writes at up to 225.91 MB per second. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications for more exciting videos from our channel.